got something in it. My bad. But this is chicken wings. The winglets. You know what I'm saying? I'm a flats person, so I don't know about y'all. I gotta have the flats. The drums, y'all can have that. Y'all be alright. But I think what I might do, yeah, I probably just leave it, you know, fried. I probably won't put no barbecue sauce on it, but just a little something. I know I should have, you know, uploaded last Friday for food, but my bad. So I'm coming up with this. I had a sweet tooth, but let me just switch this camera, talk to y'all for a second. Take a picture real quick. Then trying to learn this phone. Trying to switch it over. See, okay, let me stop.